In order to give your deer that extra special kind of look that's made from wood, what you might want to do is add an image as what we call a decal. It's going to wrap it around the face of this piece that we've made. So let's go in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start a sketch. Well, actually, before that, I need to make a work plane. So I'm going to make a work plane that's going to be tangent to this circle. So it's going to sit right on the edge of it. And we'll make it parallel to another plane. So I'm going to say that's where we want to make it tangent to, and we'll make it parallel to this one right here. So we have this one that's tangent to the circle. So it's tangent, but it's parallel to this plane right here. It just happens to be tangent to the circle, so it's sitting on the outside. So now on that plane, I'm going to start a sketch. So now I'm in sketch mode. And what I'm going to do is right over here where it says image, I've already gone online and I've saved an image of the tree bark. Now this is a good size image. I mean, like I said, when I was in Google, I told it to only show me large images. You can kind of see the dimensions there, 1920 by 2560. So I'm going to select that. And here is, click OK. Here's this big image. And it's sitting on that work plane. There it is right there. So now what I'll do is I'll finish the sketch, and I'm going to say I want to use this as a decal. So the image, this image, the face, I'm going to wrap it around this face right here. I'll click OK. Now you'll notice that it didn't wrap all the way around. I ran out of image, so I'm going to have to go back into that sketch. And I'm just going to grab the corner here and I'm going to scale it up. Now, unfortunately, I can't scale only one direction. It's going to scale the whole image, which I guess is kind of good because it'll give us the bark won't look distorted because we're going to scale it both width and height. So now it wraps all the way around. I can go ahead and hide that work plane. So now let's say I want to do the same things to the ends. I could just start a new sketch here. Get the image that I've already saved. Go ahead and put it in. That seems kind of small, so I'm going to have to, again, stretch that out. What I could do here is I could do a project geometry and click on that circle. So that way, let me release that tool. Slide this image. I know that I have enough image to fit inside the circle. And I'm just going to go decal, click on the image, click on the face. Click OK, and there's my end of the log. I'll do the same thing one more time. Start a new sketch. Get my image. Project geometry so I can see where it's got to go. And now I want to get rid of this tool, so I'm going to hit Escape. And now I can stretch this out. Make sure it fits. Finish my sketch. Decal, what image? This image. What face? That face right there. Oops, let me do this one more time. Image. You should get right kind of on the edge of it. Face, right there. Click OK. And there it is. So now I have this log. It looks like the ends are cut and have the bark around the outside. So that's how you add an image to a surface, whether it's a rounded surface or a flat surface. If it's round, you're just going to need to create a work plane first, and then you could sketch on there, add the image, and then wrap it to whatever face. But that's what I did to create this kind of more deer that looked like it was made out of pieces of wood. So go ahead and give that a shot.